Hello, all. Welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to create a folder and thereafter how to create a file under this newly created folder in Java. So let's get started. So in order to create a folder, we already know from the previous sessions that we have to use a method known as mkdir method. And in order to create a file, we have to use a method known as createNewFile method. So after representing the folder using the file class, we can use this mkdir method to create a folder. Similarly, to create a file, after representing the file, we have to use this method known as createNewFile method for creating the file. But here, what I want to cover is there are two ways of creating a new file under the newly created folder. Okay, there are two ways of creating a new file under the newly created folder. What are the two ways I'm going to cover in this session? For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class with some random name with main method. Now inside this method, I'm going to first represent a folder because under the folder I want to create the file, right? So first I want to represent the folder file folder. Okay, whatever the name you want to give, you can give new file of. Here I need to give the path of the folder. To represent this particular folder, I need to give the path of the folder. Before that, I'll import this file from java.io package. Here I'll write dot slash folder D. So I'm creating this folder for the first time, right? So after representing this folder, how to create this folder? I have to say folder1.mkdir. This will create the folder. Under the project, it will create the folder known as folder D here. Once the folder got created, now I want to create the file. So to create the file, first we have to represent the file. I'll say file1 is equal to new file of, okay? Here I need to give the path of the file. How to give the path of the file? If you want to create that file under this newly created folder, you have to give the path like this. Dot slash folder D. Under the folder D, okay, under the folder D, I want to create that file. So I would like to give some random name, okay, efg.txt file I want to create. So where is this file getting created? Under the newly created folder, that is folder D, it's going to get created. How to create that file? File1 dot create new file. Now here I'll write system.out.println end of this program to see whether, while running the code to know that the code has run or not, in the output will come to know. Okay. Now here, hover the mouse on this and ignore this exception. It's a checked exception. Now run this code. A new folder known as folder D should get created under the project. Under that folder, a new file known as efg.txt file should get created. This is one way. This is the first way, guys. So end of this program came. Now refresh this project. You see folder D came under the folder efh.txt file is there. efh.txt file is there. This is one way of creating the new folder and creating the new file under that folder. Now the second way. Okay, this is the first way, right? The second way I'm going to show you. The first way of creating a new folder and thereafter creating a new file under that newly created folder. The second way is something like this. File, I'll say folder2 is equal to new file of, first I'll represent the folder as usual, slash folder E. Okay, we don't have any folder E under this project, right? But I'm representing a folder by giving the path of the to be created folder. Now here I'm going to create that folder 2.mkdir. This will create the folder. After creating the folder, now I want to create a new file under the folder E. For that, I need to represent the file. File1 is equal to, or file2 is equal to new file of. Here I'm going to give the two things, guys. Here you see directly I have given the path of the file. As part of representing the file, I created the full path of the, I have given the path of the file. But here I can do one more way. This is the first way, right? Another way here is, first here, give this folder to. Just specify this folder to. Okay? So as a first argument, you give folder 2. That means under this folder two, whatever the file you mention here, that will get created. This is second way, guys. Either you can give the path of the file to create the new file under this newly created folder. You can give the path like this, or you can also give something like this. This is the second way. The second way is where you just need to give the object reference of the folder that you have represented here. Under that folder, whatever the file you want to create, hij.txt file. Now put a semicolon. Now here file2 dot create new file. And at the end, I'll simply write down system.out.println end of this program. So some people will use this way, some people will use this way. Both are fine. Okay. To create a new file under the newly created folder or a folder, we can follow this any of these ways. End of this program came. Now refresh this project. You see folder A, under that folder hij.txt file is there. So either this way you can follow, guys, this is one way. Okay, this is one way. This is the first way, this is the second way. Okay, let me write down here. There are two ways. You can create the new file of dot slash folder x slash xyz.txt. This is the one way. Second way is like this. New file of here first folder one or whatever it is, and then mno.txt file. Okay, anything is fine. Either this way you can follow for creating a new file under the newly created folder or folder. You can create a new file under this folder by using the second way also. Okay, these are the two ways of creating a folder and a new file under the folder. Okay, so this looks very easy, right? The second way looks very easy. So if you want to use the second way, you can use, guys. But these are the two ways we have in Java for creating the files under the folders. While representing the file itself, you can specify the folder name. And in that folder, directly this file will get created. You don't have to give the path of the entire file. Rather, you just give the folder, and under the folder, this file, whatever the created named file will get created under that folder. Okay. So these are the two ways of creating a new file under the folder in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.